the Ram TRX is back. This is the official world debut of the new TRX. Is it just the same TRX coming back and not a lot of changes? Well, no. In this video, I'm going to show you all the way around this new TRX, tell you about the price, all of the different options. I mean, we still don't know like every minute detail, but we know a lot about this new TRX. So let's get towards the front really quick. First of all, this is a special Bloodshot night package. So it's a two-tone package, although all TRXs will be two-tone, but this has some additional, for example, this line on the hood, additional just black, and this is an orange, believe it or not, even though it looks red in a lot of this light. I was told it was orange. And then you get a couple more items. So you get a lot more horsepower, you get a lot more torque. Also better emissions. I was just talking to the chief engineer of this truck. I'm not sure exactly how they did it, but they did a lot with it. Also, are you ready for the new name? 2027 Ram 1500 SRT TRX. It's a long name, but I think it's a lot of truck as well. And you can see that SRT badge right there in the grill. There's also a big SRT badge in the back. So I'm not sure what, several months ago, the SRT team is officially back at Stellantis. So it's a special performance team where it spans brands, or at least it should kind of span across different brands. And this is one of their first official vehicles that they're launching. And I did say 2027 because this is going to be available for sale in the summer of 2026. So all you TRX fans have to wait a little longer to get one of these puppies. Now, we got to talk about power before we go into detail. So underneath this hood, by the way, the hood, design of the hood is the same. Identical hood scoop. I mean, these color choices are unique to this special package. It says 6.2 liter supercharged. So the Hellcat is back, but they're actually not quite calling it a Hellcat. So Tim Kuniskis, the CEO of Ram, actually talked about it being conglomerations of different technologies that they've had before, because in their Dodge division, they also had the Red Eye engines, they had the Demon engines. So this is kind of I took it to mean a kind of learning from all of that. 777 horsepower and 680 pound-feet of torque. That's the official spec. So the power went up from 702 to 777s, and the torque went up from 650 to 680. So what, you're getting 5% more torque, and you're getting over 10% more horsepower by keeping the same displacement of the engine. And I was talking to the chief engineer, and I have an interview coming, so check out oldtfl.com for everything that has to do with this truck, because I have a podcast there that's coming out very, very soon. In fact, in a day or two from now. They gained the power numbers specifically by improving the intake system. And I'm not showing you under the hood specifically a lot right now, because under the hood is not the latest production version of this air intake system. But according to them, they improved it by 18%. The airflow improved, and the exhaust is about the same. So Cole, how about we let them listen to this truck, because the exhaust is still hellish, very loud. I think it blew out our microphones. All right, so now let's take a look a little bit at design in the back of this truck. So once again, the new badge, you can see the T-Rex head is poking out right here on the back, and there's a giant SRT badge. So SRT is back in a big way, and also the red accents are going to be available on all these red tow points, recovery points, are going to be in red on all TRXs. I'll show you inside just in a minute, and I'll talk to you about pricing just in a minute. And Ram is doing something interesting for their 2025 and 2026 trucks. They offer 10-year and 100,000 mile warranty which is crazy, warranty on all of the trucks on 2025 model year and 26. This is a 27, and we don't have information as far as what the warranty will be on this. But if you're worried about warranty, check out our friends at GrangerWarranty.com. You can use the link in the description below. You can save some money. It's factory backed, so it's not like fly-by-night company. I've actually met a lot of those people who operate that warranty. And you could service your vehicle anywhere around the country at a certified place like a dealership using OEM parts. So if you're worried about long-term warranty, check out GrangerWarranty.com. You can save some money and have really, really good coverage for many trucks. Not quite sure about, you have to ask them model for model what's available and what's covered. All right, now let's go look on the inside. All right, now we're sitting inside of this brand new 2027 TRX. And this, once again, this is a special edition. So you do have some red badging, and you do have some carbon fiber with a little bit of red inlay. That is still that Bloodshot night package. They didn't say how much it costs. So they did talk about the base cost, which I'll tell you in a second. But take a look at this. They redesigned the TRX logo, and this is the special night edition, or that night edition logo. It's almost like three-dimensional, but it doesn't have horsepower and torque. You'll get a different one for the base TRX, but inside of here it's pretty much standard Ram 1500, which is pretty awesome. And thank goodness there's still a console shifter right here in the center, and there's dual wireless chargers, USB-A and USB-C auxiliary ports. So everything is here, and also that red, I don't know if you could kind of tell the red, the special red color here. So all of that is still here. You have auxiliary switches for additional lights or accessories that you could add, and launch control. And so this truck could accelerate according to RAM in about 3.6 seconds, 0 to 60. This truck is not running, we are indoors, but you might be able to go to the dashboard. Can you see that? There are drive modes here, and you can see Sport, Tow, Snow, Auto, Custom, Mud and Sand, Rock, and Baja. Those are pretty standard modes for RHOs and also TRXs. And there's an additional drive mode selector here on the dashboard as well, so you can access those modes in several different ways, and that's really cool. And the chief engineer told me that you'll be able to notice more distinct differences between them because they're using the second generation Bilstein adjustable shocks, the Blackhawk E2s. They're the second generation of that, and the ground clearance and also the suspension travel hasn't changed. So the ground clearance is the same, still 13 inches of front wheel travel, 14 inches of rear wheel travel, and the steering wheel is super nice. Who is that? Oh my gosh.
Hello.
You're appearing inside of an amazingly bright light.
And looking at you, squinting at me.
You're holy, you look holy.
Please carry on.
Thank you, Howard. That's Howard from Truck King. Wow, that was a little bit of aberration, I would say. Where was I? Oh, steering wheel. Yes, this one is specially wrapped, super great. And they also wrapped the horn button with special stitching. So this actually combines luxury, sport, off-roading. They haven't talked about payload and towing, so I pushed them very, very hard. This is available in the summer of 2026. They haven't said what the payload numbers and towing numbers were. For the outgoing TRX 2024 model, the towing was close to about 81 or 8,200 pounds. And of course, after you add all these luxury features, that number the payload number especially, which was around 1,300 or 1,400 pounds, that number may come down slightly, but we don't know yet. And maybe they have some magic. I don't know if they can pull out more magic from their hat. Now, pricing. So the TRX, the 2027 Ram 1500 SRT TRX starts at $99,995 before the destination charge. So with a $25,995 destination charge in the summer of 2026, that's $102,590. I think I did that math right. So pretty high price. But what they did here, as I can see, is they didn't just bring the old Hellcat engine back. You got a lot more horsepower, more torque. You have specially tuned all-wheel drive system that they also have on the RHO. The RHO has that high output straight six twin turbo with 540 horsepower. So actually they're positioned pretty well as far as competition, because Ford is a big player in this space. They have an EcoBoost V6 Raptor F-150 that starts at around $84,000. The RHO undercuts it. And then the Raptor R with 720 horsepower, this is, I'm talking about 2026 models now, has 720 horsepower and starts at about 114,000. So this truck still undercuts the Raptor R by about $12,000. So I think it puts the pressure on Ford and many others. Of course, GM doesn't have anything truly competing in this space. They might argue that the GMC Hummer 1,000 horsepower vehicles compete with these, but they're kind of different animals. Those are all electric off-roaders. I'm not quite putting them in the same bunch. So the ZR2, we don't know about 2027 models quite yet from General Motors, so we'll have to wait and see what happens. But this year is starting with a bang. It's really awesome to see the TRX come back, join the lineup with the RHO truck and many others to come. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time at oldtfl.com for a lot more fun. I cannot wait to drive this.